Hello DDusin friends! Well, this video is for my foreign subscribers. I don't know how many of you does exist, but thank you for the subs. Maybe you could leave me a comment to show that you are existing and also let me know where you guys are all from. Okay, well, I'm making this video because recently I've been getting more comments which requesting for the English subtitles. Well, some of you might know that I used to put English subtitles like a year ago, but thing was that majority, like about 95 of my subscribers were Korean, so it was hard to put English subtitles for like less than 5% because for me it took about 4 hours extra just to put English subtitles for each video. And also YouTube wasn't my only job. I also own retail store, so I couldn't spend more time on it. However, as I previously have mentioned it, recently I've been getting more English subtitle requests, but I still couldn't afford to spend extra several hours of time on it. And so I came up with this idea, how about speak both Korean and English at the same time? Not exactly at the same time, but say a phrase in Korean first, then repeat it in English. And so I did. I have made recent 2 tutorial videos in this way. I'm not sure whether you guys have seen it or not. If you haven't, just go and check it out right now. It is new try for me and it's not so natural yet, but I guess I'll get used to it eventually. So I wanted to tell you this, that from now on I'm going to try to make tutorial videos in this way, so please cheer me up. Yet I'm not so used to English knitting and crochet terms. I might use wrong terms, and when you find me using wrong terms, please do not hesitate to inform me on the comments. So in this way we could both learn at the same time, that I teach you how to knit and crochet and you teach me English knitting and crochet terms. Good. So check out my latest videos and leave me your feedbacks on the comments. How do you think about this way? And one last thing, there's a membership on my channel that you can join to support me. And to be honest, there are many things that I can do to my members yet, but with your support, I guess I will get more energy, and so I can put more effort on my YouTube contents. Yeah. You could use emotional icons I've drawn myself on live streaming or on the comments. They are very cute. So you might want to check it out too. There are several classes of membership that you can join. Choose any class that you think it is reasonable, and any class I will be very pleased. Anyway, this is it. Thank you for listening to my announcement. I hope you guys all have a good day, and I will see you on next video or on live streaming. I do live streaming every night in Korean time, about 10 p.m. to like 1 a.m. something like that. So see you next time, DDusin friends. Bye bye. Hey.